If you like your hair and you don't want to pull it out in a fit of rage like I did the first time I ever tried to upload a ton of videos to YouTube, then this video's for you. You've prepped, written, filmed, edited, and double-checked everything, and now it's time for your moment of glory. There is one final hurdle, and that's uploading and scheduling all of your videos. If you've not uploaded or scheduled a video to YouTube before, and you really want to do it well and grow your channel, then you need to check out the link in the description to make sure you know all the crucial things to do on an upload. If you have, then let's rock and roll. Number 1, don't upload all of your videos. If this is your first time batch uploading, the idea of getting 36 videos all loaded up, optimized and scheduled in one go so you can sit back and relax for 3 months is a nice one. Unfortunately, things go wrong. YouTube can time out, meaning nothing gets saved, you can accidentally hit publish all instead of schedule, and having to make even the slightest change to a lot of videos will take you forever. That's why to start off, just try out 5 to 6 videos. You'll likely have concerns that they didn't schedule when they said they would, you'll make all the mistakes on a small scale, and then once you've seen the system work, you can add more. Number 2, add your end screens. You can't add your end screens at the upload point on YouTube. You have to schedule and then go and do it after. Unless you have TubeBuddy, the free management tool. This will let you add them by opening a new screen while keeping the upload screen open. If we're honest though, we didn't use this feature for fear of shutting the wrong video and losing all of the uploading video's progress. It's good to know it's there though. After upload, we'd advise doing them separately to avoid the mishaps. Don't forget to mark off your videos as uploaded on your Google Sheet we mentioned in this video here, all about preparing your videos for upload, and watch this one right here to make sure you're ticking every box you need to grow your channel with well uploaded videos. Oh, and subscribe to start learning more and more about YouTube growth. We've got some cool stuff coming, promise.